Tutupakin ko to eh.
Nilakasan niya.
Bigyan ko yan.
Kaya mo na.
Bugbog ka sa akin, dudurugin ko yung mukha mo. Kung ayaw mo ng maingay, puking ina ka, maghanap ka ng sarili mong resort. Yo, let's go to Fujairah! Woohoo, Fujairah! Okay, let's go!
Yeah. Another doorbell. Yay!
Nagdala ng tubig.
Yo, shout out Mickey's Garage sa kanyang Montero. Pinahiram niya yung Montero. Pinalit ko muna yung sasakyan ko para smooth ang ating ride. Yun o, shout out Mickey's Garage. Salamat sa Montero. Shout out kay Mickey. Thank you. Yes sir. Ang spaghetti Andy. Pasta. Okay, it's self-parking in Rotana. Ha? Andun sa bag ko. Nasaan yung bag ko?
Under his name.
Change your email address, please.
Hello, boss. How are you?
So we think good. Good. This one. This is Scott.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you, sir. How's your way? How's your trip? So here's your luggage, yeah? Mr.
Okay.
Raimondo. So I'll take you with a golf cart.
Okay.
Pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure. Pleasure. God bless you.
Thank you.
Come, Andy. Andy, let's go.
Do that. Do that.
That's my son. It's his birthday.
Hello. How are you? Good. Come. Let us get for you some. Come. God bless you. God bless you. Yes, he is so special. He is so nice. He is so handsome boy. How are you? Good. What's your name? I am 40.
I'll send it to Boss E.
God bless you.
All right. Thank you. Let's go.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Ready?
Yeah,
ready. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Anything, my mobile number on the website of the car.
Okay. Thank you, boss.
Okay? Thank you, sir.
So ready to go in our Ferrari.
Let's
Ready.
go. Ferrari.
Ferrari is ready for you. All ready?
Let's go.
Let's go. Hello, the audience. So first time in our Fujairah Rotana, yeah?
First time, yes, boss.
Very welcome to our Fujairah Rotana.
Very nice.
Just now we are renovated our lobby. It's our brand new lobby and the most luxurious
brand new.
lobby in Al Alka Beach.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, so you got the room number 7105, 7106. Close
Yes.
to the pool, close to the beach.
So shout out, Boss E. You know yourself. Thank you very much for the experience.
So I'll explain the facility on the way. This is our tennis court. Here is our bodyline.
Okay.
Our bodyline is open here. You can find steam, sauna, gym, locker facility, changing room, also included in your package.
You have basketball
This is our
court.
big basketball and tennis court. This
Nice.
is our Jen spa.
Spa.
Yeah, the timing is 11 to 12.
How much?
My colleague from the bodyline, they will assist you. There is a discount.
Okay.
And you can find some billiards and ping pong this side.
Ping pong. Okay.
This is also our spa.
Spa.
And the most important for the baby, the kids club is also close to your room.
Oh, yes.
Kids club, video game, everything.
Kids club here.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, Mickey Mouse, Andy, oh. Look.
See? Hi, kids club. So here we came to your room. Ferrari is partner.
Ferrari.
Ferrari is there.
Let's go, Darius.
Beside the reception.
Okay. Thank you, thank you.
Welcome. So you have your subscription.
Yes, you will be on the video.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Abhishek,
Abhishek.
the bell captain of.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
Nepal.
Welcome to your room.
Yes, sir.
See the view. I can have one card for the lights.
Mm.
Wow, nice!
This side 7106.
Okay.
May I?
Only the black one will be with us.
This one.
Wow! Oh, there's a dog, Andy, oh. And
This
a swan.
Would you like to open the connecting door between these two rooms?
I don't want white.
Garden view. See the view. You can set the view from here. So this is automatic and sensor. Once you open, the air conditioner will close automatic.
Ah, automatic it will open.
This is the one. So you can enjoy the garden view. Enjoy the stay with us. Thank you.
I will look for you later, okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
I don't have any cash.
No, no, thank you.
Ay, wow!
Ay, wow. Very nice. Wow. So, this is the room of the kids. It's connecting room. Ooh, so nice. Okay. Oh, see? Darius, come. Look. Oh. Oh, di ba? Connecting room. Oh. Yan tayo pwede tayo kumain doon, no? Yo! Samahan niyo ako. Pupunta tayo sa lobby. Kasi... Hello? Kasi, hindi ko nabigyan ng tip kanina yung isa. Dahil wala akong cash. So may ATM daw doon sa lobby. O, balik tayo doon. Medyo malayo nga lang yung lalakarin. Ang maganda dito, merong play area for the kids. Very nice. May outdoor, may indoor. You know, may basketball court, tennis court. Tapos, they have a gym. Yes, sir. If you want to work out, they have a gym. Yes. ATM sila. Ayun, naibigay ko na. Nagbigay lang ako ng 60 dirham. Naka-lunch break pala si Abhishek yung nag-assist sa amin kanina. Nagbigay ako ng tip kasi wala namang kaming gagastusin dito. Libre, guys. Hindi ko ma-afford ang gantong leisure kasi wala akong pera. Broke ako. So hindi ko ma-afford ganito. Pero nilibre kasi, nilibre ng basta. So, you know yourself, Boss E, thank you very much for the experience. Kliyente ko siya, isa sa pinaka big boss ng Rotana. Madami akong project sa kanya. Medyo malalaki yung project ko sa kanya. So, nabanggit ko na birthday ng Darius. Birthday ng bunso ko, si Darius. So, ayun, binigyan kami ng free accommodation. The best. Diba? Wala na akong gagastusin. So, bali, ang gagastusin ko lang dito is pagkain at mga kung ano-ano. Which is hindi na ganun kalakihan. Siyempre. Saka, shout out ulit kay Mickey. Mickey Garage. Abangan nyo guys. Mickey's Garage. Meron na yan. Magbubukas na yan soon. Sa mga gusto magpaayos ng sasakyan, magpapintura, lahat ng gusto nyo gawin o gusto nyo ipaayos sa sasakyan nyo, Mickey's Garage guys. Abangan nyo yan. Magbubukas na dyan sa Dera. Kain muna kami bago tayo mag-swimming. Let's go! Abir! Ooh! Thank you! Let's go!
Amenities also.
Wow! Very nice! Thank you very much, Boss E!
Wow, ang ganda naman.
My dessert, my fruits. Let's go! Let's go swimming! Let's go swimming! Let's go na! Smells good? Laki ng swimming pool nila. Darius look!
Ang dami naman.
Bubble! Come, come, come!
Iba sa pagkawan. Yay! I tried it! Big shame!
Darius, look! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sige, tapak mo lang. Go! Step on it, step on it. Yay! Yay! Oh, di ba? OMG! Fujairah Sunset. Ano pa lang yan? 3:30. Yay! You want to go to the beach? Oh, go, come. I know. Let's go! Yay! Yay! Oh, diba? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Oh, diba? Yay! Hi, Andy. Let's go.
Yes.
Oh, hold this one. Hold this one. Yay! Yay! Malalim na dyan. Malalim na dyan. Pangs. like a castle. Go, sit down. Do you feel cold? I'll go get the towel. Go, sit down, sit down. Ayun o yung maliit oh. You use the small one. Yun oh, naka-shower na kami. So, tapos na kami mag-swimming. Pahinga saglit, tapos kain naman. So, hanap pa kami ng mga kainan. Hindi pa namin nakabisado dito, so ewan ko, mag-check kami online kung saan pwede kumain. Kasi feeling ko dito mahal. At si Darius, kailangan niya ng kanin. Pati si Andy, kailangan niya rin kumain ng kanin. So, hahanap kami na may kanin. Kasi baka dito walang kanin. Di ba? Parang ano eh, yung pagkain nila parang American style. Yung spaghetti nila sa pizza, parang mga Italian. Hanap kami sa labas siguro. At yun. Let's go. Kapit. Yo, lalabas kami. Puntahan namin si Ryan Sanchez. Nandyan lang sila. Parang 10 minutes away lang. Nag-camping yata sila kasama niyang family niya and friends. So, dadaan lang kami. Just to say hi. Shout out to Ryan Sanchez Tattoo and Ate Mitch. Abir.
Hello.
Idol, nandito na kami.
Dito kami sa Liwanag na Sangka.
Andito kami sa, ewan ko, tapat yata ng pick up mo to. Pick up mo yata yung nandyan eh.
Ay, ikaw ba rin ako puti?
Yes.
Oh, yan. Ito ako.
Saan?
Ito. Sige, okay ka.
Ayan na.
Parking yan.
Ah, okay. Yan na. Okay.
Buti na pa siya kayo dito sa rancho ko.
Dami nyo ah. Tropa mo lahat yung mga yan?
Oo.
Ha? Oo.
Kalahati na yan. Umuwi na yung kalahati nung first night.
Color.
Pag second night na namin to eh.
Asa naman?
Second night na?
Ito tulog na.
Puno yan kami hanggang dun.
Kaya
naglalamierda kayo
ah.
Kamusta?
Kain tayo. Sige, kakatapos namin kumain.
Kilawin, may mga ano.
Busog pa kami.
Kakatapos namin mag-dinner eh. Sige, boy.
Dapat nga hihiga na kami.
Oh?
What?
Ay, ba't di nagsasalita?
Inaantok na?
Hapon na yun, pangalawang gabi na namin dito.
Hi, Mati.
Ay! Bless, bless, bless.
Happy birthday.
Oo nga, say thank you. Bless lang. Sige na, before you start kayo.
Oh, you give to the other one. You don't want, oh, you give na lang to the
Arte,
baby.
bless. Just say no thank
Jack,
you.
Jack.
Like that. Jack.
Jack!
Bless muna.
Lollipop!
Bless,
Bless
tita.
you.
Bless
Tita,
kita.
bless.
You don't want
Kasama
lollipop.
yung mga bata.
Ano na yan? Ano na
Ay,
siya?
sleepy na. Oh, kag lollipop.
Liwanag ah.
Ah,
Ganda ng lights mo ah.
Thank you.
sige, Boytik, si Darwin.
Boytix.
Si Annie.
Tick boy?
Hello. Boytik.
Boytix.
Melvin.
Tick boy.
Melvin, ang layo.
Ay, pala.
Masarap ang tuloy-tuloy na ano.
Uy, upo, daddy.
Ang laki ng kusina nyo ah. Sige.
Hindi, nung araw na
Next
yun.
time.
Hindi ko malayo din kami.
Next time, pagka ano.
Kami bahay na lang namin eh, kaya kami
Bye-bye!
nadaan.
Bye-bye, Palito! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! Kiss, kiss, daddy. Breakfast tayo, breakfast. Yes. Sit down.
Babe, come here. What do you want to eat? Oatmeal?
Filtered na ano or yung Americano po na black coffee.
Filtered.
Americano yung sa akin.
Americano. Sige po.
O sige, Amerikano na rin.
Ilang Americano gusto mo? Ayaw, gusto mo talaga Americano?
Wow. Kami lang ang naka-VIP dito, oh. Naka-reserve, oh. Anong meron? Itlog. Uy, may ham. Bacon. Pork. Ay, turkey. What's that? Oatmeal. You like it? Kami lang Pinoy at mga puti, mga karamihan mga Russian. Thank you. Malalaman mong VIP kasi sila ang nagbibigay ng drinks. Yung mga iba, sila ang kumukuha. Saka iba yung table namin. Table namin bilog. Lahat sila square. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina. Kami lang yung table na sinaservan ng drinks tsaka ano. Pero yung mga iba sila ang kumukuha ng sarili ng drinks. So parang may special treatment.
Kanina hininaan ko na to.
Sa pangin ko to eh.
Nilakasan niya. Kaya mo na bangs kasi inano tayo dito. Hayaan mo siya na magreklamo siya.
Bigyan ko yan.
Hayaan mo na. Saan tayo gusto ko?
Kahit saan. Ito.
Pasensya na ate ha.
Nagpalipat na lang kami kasi
Ay, ate gano'n. Ikay,
may Russian na lumapit. Maingay daw si Darius. Kupal lang po. Naingayan siya sa bata. May tao talagang ganun, no? Paano kung nasa eroplano siya, papatahimikin niya yung mga bata sa buong eroplano, papatahimikin mo? Ganun? Hindi ko alam kung sino ang may sakit eh. Siya ba o si ito eh. Yung lalaki yata ang may sakit. Umalis na lang kami para hindi na lumaki. Pero pag nasa Pinas tayo, bugbog ka sa akin, dudurugin ko yung mukha mo sigurado. Pero andito tayo sa ibang bansa, kaya kung nasa Pilipinas tayo, durog na mukha nun kami. Ano na ba?
sige po. Inaano. Akala niya siguro nagsusumbong ako na ano.
Akala niya talaga nagsusumbong ka.
Ay, pero nagsusumbong naman talaga.
Slowly, sabi niya. Tapos nung umupo siya, sinabihan ko, what slowly? Ginanong ko, hindi na nagsalita.
Takot naman yung
Ayun mo, hindi, yan yung mga taong hindi kayang panindigan yung pagkasiga nila. Alam mo yun?
daan tayo sa harapan nila tapos lakasan.
Nasa Dubai lang tayo kasi. Kung sa Pinas ko, kanina ko pa to tinira eh. Anyways, may mga taong ganun talaga. Na ayaw nang maingay. Di ba, Andy? Or, tsaka, napansin ko, kasi parang ano rin eh, parang may racial discrimination. Kasi, kung puti kami or lokal kami, hindi naman siguro basta-basta lalapit yun. Diba? Nakita sigurong Pilipino kami. Anyways, may discrimination talaga sa Pilipinas. Kahit saan ka pumunta. Okay? May mararamdaman kang discrimination. Pati doon sa pool kahapon eh. Tingin, ang sama ng tingin sa amin kasi kami lang yung Pilipino na family.
One for you.
Yes sir, thank you.
How's the experience so far?
Oh good.
Let's leave them apart because some people you cannot control them really. Yeah.
I think he's just racist.
They are, yes.
He doesn't like Filipinos around him.
We like Filipinos. You always wait for them to come and we enjoy all together. Especially the Asians.
He doesn't want to enjoy. Early in the morning, he wants to complain.
Yeah. You come on a holiday, you on a resort,
Yeah.
beaches around, just
Yeah,
enjoy yourself.
enjoy, right?
And it's morning time, we should be happy.
Absolutely, absolutely. You start with the morning and then you spoil everybody's day, the whole day.
I don't want to spoil just to,
I was surprised you guys were calm because usually it's not easy in the morning to stay calm because when
No.
someone disturbs unnecessarily.
We are really calm, but for a moment, I just want to punch his face. I want to punch his face already, but we're not in the Philippines.
That's true. So thank you for the respect that you show.
No problem.
Please enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Kung ikaw,
Punta sila sa tunog.
hindi Pangs, ganito lang yan. Kung ayaw mo ng maingay, puking ina ka, maghanap ka ng sarili mong resort. Di ba? Kung gusto mo ng walang maingay, gusto mo ng tahimik, maghanap ka ng sarili mong island at magsarili ka. Di ba?
Ay, hindi pa.
Nandadamay ka pa ng nag-i-enjoy yung tao.
Kahit pwede naman silang pumunta sa tahimik na lugar, doon sila sa sementeryo kumain. Matahimik sila. Maraming lugar dito.
Pwede. Ay, maingay.
Kaya ayoko rin sana.
Ganun ka magko-complain kang gano'n na akala mo sa'yo yung resort. Puking ina mo ka. Videoin mo pa. Nakasmile siya. Blow. Hey! Thank you. Brother, I cannot take this anymore. What? Give it to your staff.
Because you're so full.
Give to your staff after they work.
Can
Give
they
it.
share?
Well noted.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Pleasure serving you. We look forward to see you soon again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good boy. Give me card.
Yung kamay niya yung binibip niya. Binibip daw. Mabilis ka naman tayo.
Yo, nasa room na kami. Bihis lang tapos swimming na ulit. Time check. 9:24. Swimming time again. Yay! Let's go. Go. Swimming pool time! Let's go! Yo! All set na kami. Isa na. Did you enjoy? Ha? Like it here? You wanna come back?
Ate, dito na kami ni Darius.
Let's go. Sige.
Darius, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Natutuwa siya. Bye, Darius.
Bye, Rotana. Say bye, Rotana.
You'll be back soon. You like it here, no?
Kukunin ko na kaagad yung sasakyan, Pangs.
O ano gagawin ko dyan? Babayaran ko sa card ko?
Oo.
Ha? Lahat?
Oo.
Guwapito.
Yan, pagas muna tayo. Naka-check out na kami. I just want to say thank you to Mr. Ahmed, the manager
Ang pangit tingnan na.
on duty. Thank you very much for your accommodation. Most importantly, thank you very much to Boss E. Oh, thank you, Karen. Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss. Did you enjoy, Andy?
Yeah.
Thank you, boss. Say thank you, boss.
Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you, boss.
Ayaw na naman.
Boss.
Boss. Okay. Thank you, boss.
Because Darius is
You know
the
yourself.
boss.
Thank you very much, boss.
Darius
Happy.
wants to be the boss.
Galing, parang Italy. Yes, tattoo. Permanent. Permanent.
Hey, Spider-Man?
No? How much? Give me new, ah.
No.
Nice. How much? 20?
Oh, okay, wait.
No. I believe in people like too much sour.
Yeah, we like sour.
With spicy.
Yun, kung bibili kayo ng fruits, dito fresh yung mga fruits nila, mura pa. Huwag lang kayo masyadong papauto kasi talagang pipilitin kayong bilhin nyo lahat yung mga binibenta nyo. Lalo na to, yan o, yan na.
Hindi palitan na kayo.
Pero masarap talaga yung mga prutas.
Lagyan mo yan. Para
We're home! Sarap ng tulog ni Andy ah.